हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल देवनिक स्टडी में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पर बायोलॉजी की सम ब्रांचेज। बायोलॉजी, फर्स्टली बायोलॉजी की हम बात करते हैं। देखिए बायोलॉजी कहाँ से लिया गया है? ग्रीक लैंग्वेज से। बायोलॉजी इज टेकन फ्रॉम द ग्रीक लैंग्वेज। इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स बायो प्लस लॉजी। It means bio means life, logy means study. It means study of life, called as biology. Yes, okay. Next, अब हम बात करते हैं फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी। It was Aristotle. Next, biology, that is Greek language, made up of the Greek language bio plus logy. After this, biology have two branch. That is branch number one, zoology and botany. Zoology and botany. Here also we are represent the botany taken from the Greek language botan. It means herb. Zoo means animal. Logy means study. It means study of the animals. In this branch, botany, in this branch, study of the plant, study of animal. Here, that is botany. Father of botany, that is Theophrastus. Father. And zoology, that is, ये आप देखिए यहाँ पर इस तरीके से, इट zoology Aristotle. Next, biology term given by the Lamarck and Treviranus. ओके, इट्स ओके। देखिए यहाँ पर इतने में आपको काफ़ी क्वेश्चन मिल जाते हैं। इसलिए में एक तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन यही आता है, बॉटनी, फादर ऑफ द बॉटनी, फादर ऑफ द जूलॉजी, फादर ऑफ द बायोलॉजी। टर्म किसने दिया था? दैट इज गिवन बाय द लैमार्क एंड ट्रेविरानस। आफ्टर दिस थियोफ्रास्टस, ये भी याद रखना। ये नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं। देखिए इरेज करता हूँ, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए। ओके, सम इम्पोर्टेंट ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी। तो यहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं। देखिए ओके, तो सम इम्पोर्टेंट ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी। देखिए यहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं, सबसे ब्रांच करेंगे यहाँ पर जूलॉजी की, ब्रांच ऑफ जूलॉजी। चलिए भाई जूलॉजी की कर लेते हैं। चलिए देखिए यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं मॉर्फोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, मॉर्फोलॉजी plus logy. It means shape. इट मीन्स स्टडी, स्टडी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर और शेप कॉल्ड एज मॉर्फोलॉजी। आफ्टर दिस anatomy, anatomy also made up of two words, ana plus tomy, anatomy, ana plus tomy। ana means under the microscope, under the microscope, tomy means tissue। स्टडी ऑफ द माइक्रोस्कोपिक टिश्यू, स्टडी ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोपिक टिश्यू कॉल्ड एज एनाटॉमी। नेक्स्ट देखिएगा एनाटॉमी के बाद फिजियोलॉजी। फिजियो इट मीन्स वर्क, वर्क ऑफ द ऑर्गन्स, फिजियोलॉजी, फिजियोलॉजी। जैसे आप डॉक्टर बन गए तो आप क्या करेंगे, एक तो मॉर्फोलॉजी देखते हैं आप, मॉर्फोलॉजी, इसके बाद एनाटॉमी होता है, एनाटॉमी और फिजियोलॉजी, फिजियोलॉजी। इन्हीं सिद्धांतों पर क्या होता है, एमबीबीएस पूरा का पूरा कंप्लीट होता है ये। नेक्स्ट हम बात करें फिजियोलॉजी। फिजियोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, फिजियो प्लस लॉजी, फिजियो प्लस लॉजी। इट मीन्स फिजियो वर्क, फिजियोलॉजी मीन्स स्टडी। इट मीन्स स्टडी ऑफ वर्क, स्टडी ऑफ organism, study of work of organs in the ऑर्गेनिज्म लिख दीजिए, चाहे बॉडी लिख दीजिएगा, इन द ऑर्गेनिज्म। इट मीन्स हियर फिजियोलॉजी। आफ्टर दिस अब हम बात करते हैं, देखिए यहाँ पर अगर मैं बात करूँ, देखिए यहाँ पर बोन से रिलेटेड, ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट देखिएगा, चलिए हार्ट से संबंधित दीजिए। देखिए ये हार्ट, ये ब्लड वेसल्स होंगे, कार्डियोलॉजी, कार्डियोलॉजी, कार्डियोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, कार्डियोलॉजी, कार्डियो प्लस लॉजी। इट मीन्स कार्डियो हार्ट, लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी, स्टडी ऑफ हार्ट कॉल्ड एज कार्डियोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ हार्ट कॉल्ड एज कार्डियोलॉजी। आफ्टर दिस डॉक्टर क्या कहलाएगा, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट। नेक्स्ट एंजियोलॉजी, वेसल्स, हेयर वेसल्स, ब्लड वेसल्स, स्टडी ऑफ द एंजियोलॉजी, एंजियोलॉजी। इट इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स, एंजियोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, एंजियो प्लस लॉजी। इट मीन्स एंजियो ब्लड वेसल्स, लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी। It means study of blood vessels. Blood vessels called as angiology. Here also blood is present in the heart. हेमाटोलॉजी, स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लीजिए. नेक्स्ट हेमाटोलॉजी. हेमाटोलॉजी, हियर द हेमाटोलॉजी. हेमाटोलॉजी, hematology. It is also taken from the two words heme mato plus logy. Heme logy, study. Heme, it means hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, it means hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present in the blood. It means study of blood, that is called as study of blood, called as hematology. Next, here that is complete. After this we are discussing about the bone. Here स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट, बोन्स. हियर दैट इज बोन. Here that is bone. It means osteology. Osteology. Osteology also made up of the two words osteology. It means osteo plus logy. Here osteo means bone, logy means study. Study of bone, that is called as study of bone, called as osteology. Study of bone called as osteology. Here that is muscles is also attached to the bone, that is bone, that is muscles. Here also discuss about the muscles. Myology. Here myology, it means myology also made up of the two words myology, myo plus logy. Here that is myo, muscles. Study of muscles, that is called as myology. Study of muscles called as myology. ओके, आ रहा है समझ में. नेक्स्ट, आपने देखा होगा कार्टिलेज. कार्टिलेज इज प्रेजेंट इन द बोन्स, दैट इज, अगर आपने मुर्गा वुर्गा खाया होगा तो पता होगा, कचर कचर होता है इस तरीके. हाँ, वाह, वेरी नाइस. ओके, तो ये कार्टिलेज होता है, कार्टिलेज. नेक्स्ट, कॉन्ड्रिक्थोलॉजी. Here that is osteology. And osteologist, doctor, that is called as specialist doctor which have the more knowledge of the bones, that is called as osteologist. Myology, it means study of the muscles. After this, chondriology. Here that is chondriology. Chondriology also made up of the two words chondriology. Chondrio, it means logy, it means cartilage. Study. Study of the cartilage, that is called as study of cartilage, called as chondrology. After this, muscles also covered by the skin. Also covered by the skin. That is skin. Also have the here skin. Dermis and epidermis. The epidermis and dermis here also present. That is dermatology. Dermatology. Dermatology is means it is also taken from the two words dermatology, derm plus logy. Here also derm means skin, logy means study. Study of the skin. Study of skin, that is called as dermatology. Dermatology. Next, here that is complete in the next osteology, myology, chondrology, dermatology. Study of the hair. Hair, that is trichology. It means trichology. Here that is erase this. Okay, nice. Here trichology. It is also taken from the two words tricho plus logy. Tricho, it means hair. Logy means study. Study of the hair, that is called as trichology. Study of hair. Study of hair, that is called as here called as trichology. After this, स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लीजिएगा. Next, we are discuss about the craniology. Cranium. Here that is cranium. That is cranium. That is cranium. Okay. Skull. Skull. It is also called as cranium. Craniology. Craniology. Cranio, also taken from the two words craniology, cranium, cranio plus logy. It means cranium. It means cranium plus and logy means study. Cranium also skull. Study of the skull. Study of skull called as craniology. Next, here that is ear, nose, eye, teeth. Okay, nose also I can draw. That is okay, nose. Here also we discuss about the branches of the biology. Craniology. Next, We are discuss about the here ear, that is otology. Otology. Otology also made up of the two words. Otology. Auto plus logy. It means ear. It means study. Study of ear. That is called as, for example, ENT, specialist, ear, nose, throat. ENT, doctor. Ear study. Study of ear. Study of ear called as otology. Hi. Okay, nice. That is eye. Eye. Ophthalmology. 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 It is also made up of the two words. Ophthalmology. Ophthalmo plus logy. It means ophthalmo, eye. Logy means study. Study of eye, that is called as ophthalmology. Study of eye, that is called as ophthalmology. Nice. Next, study of the nose. Screenshot. Next. Here nose. That is rhino. It means rhino. Catarini, cat, flat. Big cat, like as lion, tiger. Big cat, small cat, that is मौसी, meow. Okay, मौसी, छोटी मौसी और बड़ी मौसी. Okay, lion, that is big cat. All times you are remember that is big cat, category of the big cat. Okay, जो लायन होता है, टाइगर होता है, वो बड़ी बिल्ली कहा जाता है उनको, क्योंकि एक ही फेलिडीनी के है. नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं, देखिए यहाँ पर स्टडी ऑफ द राइनोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स. राइनोलॉजी मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स. राइनो plus logy. It means rhino. It means nose. Rhinitis. Logy. It means study. Study of the nose. Study of nose called as rhinology. Next, teeth. Nose, ear, eye, skull. Here we are discuss about eye. It means ophthalmo, auto, rhino. Teeth, dentology. It means dentist. Dentology also made up of the two words. Dentology, dent plus logy. Here dent, it means teeth. Logy, here study of the teeth, that is called as dentology. And doctor specialist, that is have the very knowledge of the teeth, that is called as dentist. A specialist in dentist, that is dentist. Study of the teeth, that is called as dentist. Dentology. Now we are discuss about next. Okay, here that is complete. Now we are discuss about nephrology, nephrology, it means here that is kidney, that is kidney. Kidney also have the nephron, that is nephron, collecting duct here. Nephron, nephrology, nephrology, nephron, it means nephrology also made up of the two words, nephrology also made up of the two words, nephro plus logy. Here nephro means nephron and logy means study. It means nephron, that is nephron means it is the structural and functional unit of the kidney, that is structural and functional unit of the kidney. It means kidney, it means kidney study. Oh yes, that is also we are define this nephrology, that is study of the kidney, study of the kidney, study of the kidney, that is called as study of the kidney, called as nephrology, nephrology. Here that is okay. After this, glands also present in this area, that is adrenal gland, adrenal glands, endocrine system, endocrine glands, that is adrenal. This is here endocrinology, here endocrinology, endocrinology also made up of the two words, here endocrinology, endocrinology, crinology also made up of the two words, endocrine, endocrine plus logy. Here endocrine, endocrine glands and secretion, yeah, study of the hormones, endocrine and its hormone, logy study. We are discuss about endocrinology. Endocrinology, it means study of the endocrine glands and its hormone, that is called as endocrinology, endocrinology. Next, we are discuss about urology. Uro also made up of the two words, here that is urology, that is urinary bladders, ureters and urethra. Okay, yes, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, that is urethra, urethra. Here that is urology, made up of the two words, uro plus logy. It means uro means urine, logy means study, study of the urine, no, study of the urinary disease and study of the urine and related the disease, that is called as urology. Next, gynecology, it means gynecology also made up of the two words, gynecology also made up of the two words, gyneco plus logy. It means gyneco, it means reproductive, female, reproductive organ, organs and its disease. Logy means study. Here, study of the female reproductive organs and its disease, that is called as gynecology. That is called as gynecology. Here also again, okay, do the screenshot. Next, arthritis, arthrology, 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 it means study of the, it is made up of the arthrology, two words, arthro plus logy. Arthro means joints, logy means study. That is bone, one bone connect to the other bone with synovial fluid. Here that is bone, synovial capsule, also that is synovial capsule. Here synovial capsule, synovial fluid is present in the synovial capsule. Synovial capsule, here synovial fluid. If decrease the synovial fluid, friction force increase between the bones, that is bones, that is bones, that is called as arthritis. That is called as arthritis. Inflammation of the joints, between the joints, that is called as arthritis. It means arthrology, joint, study of the joints, study of the joints, that is called as joints, called as arthrology, arthrology. Okay, next, do the screenshot. After this, एपीकल्चर, ओके ओके ओके, थोड़ा सा अभी इधर नहीं जाते हैं, चलिए। स्पर्मेटोलॉजी, स्पर्मेटोलॉजी, इट मीन्स स्टडी ऑफ द स्पर्म, स्टडी ऑफ द स्पर्म। स्पर्मेटोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स, स्पर्मेटोलॉजी, स्पर्म लॉजी प्लस लॉजी, स्पर्म, स्पर्मेटोलॉजी, स्पर्म, स्टडी ऑफ द स्पर्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टडी, स्टडी ऑफ द स्पर्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टडी ऑफ स्पर्म, कॉल्ड एज स्पर्मेटोलॉजी, लॉजी। ओके, नेक्स्ट ooology, oo, that is egg, ooology also made up of the two words, ooology, oo means egg, ooology made up of the two words, oo plus logy, it means oo, egg, logy means study, okay, study, it means study of the egg, study of egg, that is called as ooology, ooology, okay। next, next, apiculture, apiculture also made up of the two words, apiculture also made up of the two words, एपी प्लस कल्चर, एपी एपिस इंडिका, एपिस सॉरी ये स्मॉल लेटर से लिखा जाएगा, इंडिका, विकास जीनस एंड स्पीसीज, जीनस नेम written in the capital letter and species that is written in the small letter. So Apis indica, that is honeybee, honeybee, and culture rearing, rearing of, okay, rearing, it means Apis culture rearing of honeybee, rearing of honeybee, honeybee called as apiculture, apiculture, here that is branch of the plant, here hive, hive of the honeybee, here hive of the honeybee. Okay, next sericulture, sericulture, sericulture also made up of the two words, sericulture also made up of the two words, seri plus culture, seri plus culture, culture, it means, seri means silk worm, rearing, culture means rearing, rearing of the silkworm for the adoption, for the preparation of the silk, that is called the sericulture. Sericulture is obtained from the cocoon, here that is cocoon in the boil water, warm in the boil water, we obtain 1000 meter of the silk, 1 meter, 1000 meter, 1000 meter silk obtained from the one cocoon. Okay, next apiculture, sericulture and pisciculture. Pisciculture, here we are discuss about the pisciculture. Next okay, pisciculture, चलिए ये बाद में करा देंगे, ठीक है। अब बात करते हैं, देखिए दैट इज ग्लोब, ग्लोब, ग्लोब फर्स्टली प्रोटोजुआ, पीपी को प्यार में अजमाया, माँ का दिल लेके आओ, एंड हमें दो, प्यारे आराम हराम है, ये ट्रिक है। पीपी, पीपी शर्त है, पीपी को प्यार में, प्यार में अजमाया, माँ का दिल लेके आओ, माँ का दिल लेकर आओ, एंड हमें दो। अब देखिए यहाँ पर प्यारे, पी से प्यारे, आराम, 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 हराम है, हराम है। यहाँ पर देखिए ट्रिक है, ये बहुत बढ़िया है। फर्स्टली नेक्स्ट 5 किंगडम ऑफ द क्लासिफिकेशन, एम, पी, पुलिस, फोर्स से आर्मी में आए, मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा, प्लांटी, एनिमालिया, फंजाई। हियर नेक्स्ट प्रोटोलॉजी, नेक्स्ट ये इट मीन्स प्रोटोलॉजी, प्रोटोलॉजी इट मीन्स मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स, प्रोटो प्लस लॉजी, प्रोटोलॉजी, प्रोटो प्लस लॉजी, क्या लॉजी, जो दे दो जी। प्रोटो मीन्स प्रोटोजुआ, Protozoology means study of the protozoans. That is called as study of protozoans, protozoa animals, protozoans animals called as protology. Next, paralogy. Next, here paralogy. Paralogy also made up of the two words para plus logy. Para plus logy. It means para means porifera. Study of the porifera, that is called as study of the porifera called as paralogy. Next, platyhelminthes. Helminthes. It means platyhelminthes. Platy flatworm, helminthes worm. Platy flat worm, helminth. It means flatworm. Study of the flatworm, that is called as platyhelminthes. Study of the worm, flatworm. Study of the flatworm, that is called as flatworm called as platyhelminthes. Okay. Next, Aschelminthes. Study of the ascaris, that is called as Aschelminthes. Echinodermatology, it means echinoascariology. Aschelminthes, ascaris. Malacology, it means. Next, mollusca. Here, that is, oh sorry, राउंड बना दिया. मोलस्का, that is mollusca, that is cell and mollusca. Malacology. Here, malacology, it means malacology is made up of the two words malaco plus logy. Here, malaco means mollusca or logy, it means study of the mollusca, that is called as mollusca. Malacology, study of mollusk called as malacology. Conchology, it means cell. Conchology. It means study of the cell, that is called as conchology. Here, conchology also made up of the two words. Concho plus logy. Concho means cell covering of the mollusk. Logy means study of the cell. That is study of the cell called as conchology. Oncology, cancer. Oncogene, that is cancer. Study of the oncology नहीं है, that is conchology. Oncology नहीं है, conchology. Next, here, that is amphibian. After this, amphibian, abies. Mollusca annelida. Arthropoda. Arthropoda. Here that is removed. Okay. Arthropoda. 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 Here that is insect. Entomology. Entomology. Here entomology. Entomology is made up of the two words entomo plus logy. It means insect. Insect. Logy means study. Study of the insect. That is called as entomology. Study of insect called as entomology. Entomology. Here that is entomology. Echinodermatology. Echinodermatology and hemichordata. That is no. Species. Matas. Species. Amphibian. Reptile. Aves and mammals. प्यारे आराम हराम है. इट मीन्स प्यारे आराम हराम है. Species. Amphibian. Reptiles. Aves. पक्षी. Mammals. Okay. Next, species. Pisciculture. Here that is pisciculture. Pisciculture also made up of the two words. Pisciculture made up of the two words. Pisci plus culture. It means pisci, fish. Culture means rearing. Rearing of fish, that is called as rearing of fish, called as pisciculture. Okay, pisciculture. Oh, that is also Willow revolution. It means Neeli Kranti revolution. Okay, next. Amphibian, reptiles, serpentology, study of the snakes. Serpentology also made up of the two words. Here that is village. After this, serpentology, it means made up of the two words. Serpentology made up of the two words. Serpento plus logy. That is serpento, snake. Logy means study. Study of the snake, that is called as study of snake, called as serpentology. Next, abyss, ornithology. Here ornithology, study of the words. Abyss means words. It means ornithology. Here that is ornithology made up of the two words. Ornithology made up of the two words. Ornitho plus logy. It means ornitho, it means word. Logy means study of the words. That is called as ornithology. Study of bird called as ornithology. Father of bird, study of the bird, that is सलीम अली, सलीम अली, सलीम अली नेशनल पार्क इज प्रेजेंट इन द जम्मू कश्मीर। नेक्स्ट मैमल्स, मैमोलॉजी, नेक्स्ट मैमल्स, मैमोलॉजी, मैमोलॉजी आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स, मैमोलॉजी मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स, मैमोलॉजी मेड अप ऑफ द टू वर्ड्स, मैमो प्लस लॉजी, इट मीन्स मैमोलॉजी, मैमल्स, लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी। वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी हो गई। और एंथ्रोपोलॉजी है, देखिए एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, एंथ्रोपो, एंथ्रोपो प्लस लॉजी, इट मीन्स एप एंड मैन, एप एंड मैन, लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी, स्टडी ऑफ द एप एंड मैन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, मानव विज्ञान। ओके, थैंक्स, हैव ए नाइस डे। काफ़ी हैं अभी ब्रांचेस, तो अभी यहाँ पर रह गया जैसे बैक्टीरियोलॉजी, वायरोलॉजी। ठीक है, थैंक्स, हैव ए नाइस डे। ओके।